Hi, this is Theo from Spotahome.com. Today I'm just around the corner from Canary Wharf in West India Quay, looking at a 4-bedroom flat, beautifully decorated, just like all the ones with this landlord. Like I said, you've got Poplar, DLR, Canary Wharf, where you get the underground and the DLR, all within walking distance. You go to Poplar, you can get the DLR to Bank or to Stratford, so you can get anywhere really easily from here. Let me show you the flat. This is the entrance hall, and directly in front of me is bedroom number 3, and to my left we've got the first 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. This is bedroom number 1. Very light, very clean. Got a desk and chair here, chest of drawers, wardrobe and double bed just here. Lovely large windows with a very nice view. Got the boats and the river. It's a lovely view. I like it a lot. That's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 is just here, but that's occupied at the moment, so I can't show you that. This is the bathroom. Toilet, sink, mirror, some storage underneath, and a nice sized shower unit just there. We'll say bedroom number 2 comes with an ensuite as well, so that's shared between 3 people. Bedroom number 3 is here. Has access to the balcony, as does bedroom 2 and 4. You've got double bed, desk, chair, chest of drawers, and a wardrobe just there. That's just a closet. Here's a kitchen. Got fridge, freezer. Where's the light? Yeah, fridge, freezer just here. Kettle, toasting machine. Plenty of storage space all along the top and bottom. Stove, oven, washing machine that's in the process of being replaced, sink and dishwasher just here. Finally, we got bedroom number 4, which is massive. Loads of space in here. A table with 4 chairs, an armchair just there, double bed, chest of drawers, wardrobe, nice large window here, looks towards Canary Wharf, and another large window over here, just looks out onto the water, all the boats, and then behind here, let's see if I can open it. This leads out onto the balcony. Like I said, it's shared between bedrooms 2, 3 and 4. It's lovely. But that's it. This has been Theo from Spotahome.com. Check out the listing below for more information, and I'll see you next time. Bye.